Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add payment method in your Facebook ads. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is you log into your Facebook account and then you create a page. So here we are. This is our Facebook account. So you click on menu and I'm already on a page account right here. So you click on page, then you create a new page. Since you're starting afresh, you create a new page if you don't already have a page. But if you already have a page working, what you need to do is you click, once you're on your page, you click on Meta Business Suite. So when you click on Meta Business Suite, it brings you to this place. You see campaign, and once you're on this page, sometimes it might show this option here, add payment method. But for those of you that don't see this add payment method, I'll show you another way to go about adding your payment method. But first of all, if you see this notification to add payment method, this is what you need to do. Click on this add payment method button. Okay, so your country, wherever your region is, you put it in there, and then you select your currency, the currency you want to use, and then you select your time zone. Then you click on next. Alright, so here we are. You can use different payment method. You have debit card or credit card and PayPal. So whichever one works for you, whichever one you have, you can use. And this, I have an ad credit claim, is if Facebook gives you an ad credit. So you just click on I have an ad credit and then you add your payment. But I don't have an ad credit, so next. Alright, insert the name of the card and card number, the month, the year, and CCV, everything. So I'm gonna insert the name of the card right here, and I'll be right back once I'm done. Alright, I'm back. So card has been successfully saved. Now the next thing to do is add a business name, street address, zip code, and everything. Then you save. So since I'm not creating a business account, I'm just gonna add any name. Biscuit bar. Right, then address, let's go with dash, that's Tennessee. For those of you guys that didn't get a pop-up for the payment method, what you need to do is just come to this section right here, scroll down to settings. All right, so now that you're on settings, you come over to this payment settings, click on payment settings, and it's gonna load. So this is the payment method I added earlier. But for you to add a new payment method, you just have to scroll down to this page right here, payment methods, and add payment method. You see, so it takes us back to what we did earlier. Then you select credit card, PayPal, or hard credit, or whatever works for you, and you click next. And you input the name of the card and everything and click save. So that's the quickest way to add a payment method to your Facebook ad manager. So if you gain something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and